Completely waterproof. This is a marine speaker that's completely waterproof and can be used for several vehicles because it can withstand heavy water splashes and other outdoor conditions. 260 watts power. The speaker has a 40 ounces circuit magnet for a full-range audio and complete stereo speaker sound system. The power output is 130 watts RMS, 260 watts peak. It has a frequency response of 55 Hz to 20 kHz and 4 ohms impedance. Weather resistant. It's a weather-resistant speaker made of polycarbon cone with cloth surround for a rugged and durable design. It is also engineered with heavy-duty molded ABS plastic basket and grille construction to combat sun damage. Low-profile design. Constructed with a low-profile design and 1.5 aluminum voice coil that can be easily used on boats, marine watercraft and other vehicles. The classic white look also gives extra style to the vehicle. 6x9, standard size. These speakers are easy to install with 6x9 inches standard size, complete wirings and mounting hardware. It has a universal standard OEM replacement size with a mounting depth of only 3.45 and cutout size of 6.06 by 8.98. Top reviews from the United States. Pile amp and speakers. Excellent. Bought these with matching 5.5 and the Pile 1000 watt amp. Had a friend dial in the voltage and man. Unreal as to how loud and how clear this system is. I have them in my Thompson boat and it's just awesome to be able to play this system while chilling in the water. I generally only turn it up to about 3/4 while out of the boat. Only about 1/2 way while in and cruising. Way too loud. If you want an extremely good system on the cheap, stick with the above.